Alam niyo ho, all I can say is like, gano'n naman ho talaga. I mean, pag wala siguro, pag marami ka hong ginagawa, napupukul ka, nababato ka. Pero sana naman ho, like pakiusap ko ho na hindi lang ho sa kanila, pati ho dito sa mga kasamahan ko. We just keep on moving forward. Let's do our jobs. Kasi marami pa hong dapat gawin ho. Nakakahiya na rin eh. Para hong telenovela tayo, pinapanood ho tayo ng mga media, lahat ng tao pagdating ng alas 6 ng gabi. Ano kayang sanabi na naman? Ano sagot kaya ng Senado? Ano kaya sagot ng Kongreso? Nagiging tampulan na lang ho ng chismis, ng away. Nakakahiya rin ho. Pinapasweldohan ho lahat kami dito, 300 plus, pati ho sila doon ng taong bayan. Pagkatapos walang ginawa, kundi mag-away-away. Nakakahiya naman ho, di ho ba? I mean, besides, we're government officials, we're leaders. Dapat ho, we'll just focus on how to come up with laws para to alleviate itong kahirapan po ng ating bayan. Hindi naman ho yung chismis siguro. Otherwise, palitan na ho natin siguro yung ating tawag, House of Chismis and Chismosa siguro, Senate Chismis of the Philippines. Ganun lang siguro gawin natin, di ho ba? Or mga bully of the Philippines, House of Bullies. Both houses of bullies, upper chamber, lower chamber, kung ganun ho, away-away na lang ho siguro. Mas maganda ho siguro, let's just focus doon po sa mga kailangan ng mga kababayan natin. Salamat po.
Just to add, no? Siguro nakapagtaka no? Sapagkat yung ugong-ugong nanggagaling daw sa House of Representatives, bakit po tinuturo yung mababang kapulungan? Meron din naman po tayo mga internal matters na kailangan po i-address dito sa mababang Kongreso. And isa pa dyan, di ba may isang senador din na nagsabi na mga congressman lang kami. Party list representatives lang kami. So I guess with that, hindi naman po siguro wala po kaming kakayahan na makialam sa mga internal matters po ng Senado. So despite this political drama, siguro ang panawagan ko na lang, let's just focus on the legislative agenda. And of course, I hope that the Senate will handle its internal matters appropriately. Thank you.
Anybody else po?
Omo. No more comments from our speakers.
I think Congresswoman would like to say something.
Yes, I would just like to second what Kong Jill Bongkalon said. So I really do hope that despite the internal skirmishes, the internal dynamics operating within the Senate, that this does not derail from the current hearings being done on the proposed amendments to the economic provisions of our Constitution. And apart from that, as a district congressman, I really hope they keep moving on the local bills and the national bills because we have to keep the legislative mill. We have to keep it going. And I really do hope that, as Kong Jill said, they're able to resolve the internal skirmishes within the Senate. And I also hope that this does not deter from the legislative agenda. Thank you.